Congratulations, my lord, on your nomination. My lord, I would like us to look at Article 127 of the Constitution together with 179. The combined effect of 127, 1, 127, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as well as Article 179, 4. Basically, it talks about protection of the rule of law, particularly independence of the judiciary, and zooms in. This is where my concern is. Let's zoom in on the 179, particularly 4, says that the expenditure of the judiciary as presented by the president to parliament should not be reviewed or varied. I'm a member of the Judiciary Committee, and I'm aware that from time immemorial, budget for the judiciary has been varied, not that of the judicial service. My question is, or I seek your view on the combined effect of this. What would you suggest as some of the possible solutions to curb this? Because your brother, Dennis J.A., just left the seat, and he complained bitterly about insufficient funds for the judiciary to do what is expected. So I want you to give this committee some solutions to curb this problem so that in future there would be no constitutional violation on the part of the executive. The budget of the judiciary would not be cut. Then the judiciary can use the money they need for what they have to do to ensure the independence of the judiciary. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chair, it is true that the judiciary does not have financial independence because it doesn't get all the required funds to be able to carry out its activities. I have been a supervising judge in the eastern region, the northern region, and also in the central region. And you cannot do your job effectively unless funds are available. But the problem is that so whatever that the judiciary will be given will depend on what is available for the sharing to the other arms of government. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Any further question?
Yes, I have a follow-up question to this. Would you recommend an action or a writ at the Supreme Court for a proper interpretation of these constitutional provisions to ensure that in future the budget of the judiciary is not slashed?
Honorable Chair, I don't think that it is that easy because, as I indicated, it is the availability, the size of the judiciary should be given so much, and there is not enough in the national pot. How can you compel them to be given that sum that you have got from the court? Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Now, can we look at your CV? Under employment history, there's 4. I. Between the year 2000 and 2004, you were with the Judicial Service of Ghana as a circuit court judge. Between the same period, 2000 and 2004, under five, you also